Hey guys, it's Laura from Straight Line Dodge at 1116 88th Ave in Fort Sask. Here we have our 2022 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab. We have all blacked out, black rims, running boards, mud flaps. Let's take a look inside. We have our power folding mirrors. Lots of room in the side compartment. Electric seat assist, adjustable lumbar, and as well as cloth insert seats. We also have the hood release to access block heater cord, so that in the winter you're able to plug in your truck. We have electric parking brake and pedal adjustment. We have the automatic lights, as well as a super big digital display. We have infotainment control on the left, and then we have our cruise control on the right of the steering wheel. We have the ZF8 automatic transmission, four-wheel drive automatic. We have the push start, as well as the 12-inch Uconnect 5. It includes navigation, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto. We as well have the trailer brake control, trailer steering assist, as well as 4 USB, as well as aux, the reconfigurable center console, household plug down here below, lots of space to keep everything organized. Let's take a look at the back seat. You have your crew cab, which allows for lots of legroom, lots of space, as well as your ram bins to provide in-floor storage. Also, we have our USB and household plug so that your passengers can stay charged. Come on down and take this truck for a drive. Call 780-998-0900. Ask for Laura.